Hello dear students, welcome back. As we know all, in our previous classes we have finished the two lessons. Those are the food, where does it come from, and components of food. So already we have finished the unit test on the first lesson and you have written very nicely, and I want to congratulate all of them so who has written very nicely over your exam and also sent pics to me. So very good. So today we are going to start third lesson, that is the fiber to fabric. So well dear students, let us start the introductory part of the fiber to fabric. So as you know, all cloth is also one of the basic need of human beings, you can say. It's very important for us to protect ourselves from various climatic conditions. There will be the winter season, rainy season and summer season. So in all those seasons we should protect our body from all the climatic conditions. So in that, clothes help for us. So in today's class we are going to study how this clothing will be discovered and what is the meaning of the cloths, otherwise fabrics. So we are going to study in our today's class. At first we'll see about what is the mean by fabric. So fabric is nothing but the clothing, and that cloth will be produced by this cloth will be produced by either by weaving or knitting the fibers together. So what we will do, all the fibers we will knit, otherwise what we will do, we will weave. So by that what we will prepare the cloth, and by that we will prepare our dresses and we will wear, and by that we will protect ourselves from various climatic conditions. This is called about the fabric. So fabric is very important, I have said you. Now how this fabric or clothing discovered. So as we know, in ancient times people used to wear barks of the trees, otherwise leaves of the tree, to protect themselves from the various climatic conditions. Later on, by the discovery, by the invention, he started to prepare the cloths and he started to wear the cloths. So how he has done, let us study step by step. So at first what he used to do, so early man used to wear, otherwise early man used the barks of tree, big leaves, etc. to protect himself from the various climatic conditions. Or by the hot sunlight, he used to use big leaves of the tree and also bark of the tree to protect himself by the hot sunlight. And also he used to use the animal skin to protect himself from the winter cold. He used to use the skin of the animals to protect himself from the winter cold. Understanding? So next step, what he has done after that, he has discovered the agriculture. In agriculture, he started to grow the various various kinds of the plants. So whatever the waste materials used to come from the plant, so he started to use those all and he started to knit them. So after that, so what all the things he has used? So he has used the various of the twigs, winds and grass. So by that he has to used to make knitting, otherwise he used to start the tying of those all and he started to prepare the fibers. Now after that what he has done, he began to make baskets and mats. Already you can see the baskets and mats prepared by the grasses, twigs. So you have observed those. So those all he started to knit them. He started to knit them. By that he used to make the strands. By that he used to make the various materials. So from that what he has learned, he learned to prepare the strands of the fiber. Then what he has done, so he also used the animal hair, twisted it into a long strands and which were later woven together into the kind of the fabric. So he started to prepare the strands. By that strands what he twisted into them. Those all strands he twisted. By that what he has done, he has formed them fiber. That fiber he started weaving the fiber. He starts the weaving fiber. So by that what happened later on, what he has done, he started the weaving the fiber. So then after that, from that he started to wear the fabrics. Then he learned the stitching. By that various kinds of dresses he has stitched. Then he started to wear the various dresses. Nowadays you have varieties of cloths. So this is about a discovery of the clothing. So how clothing is discovered. Understanding? So discussion about the fibers and also about the clothing. In next class we'll see about the importance of the fibers. Any difficulty regarding today's class, let me know. Thank you.